In this video, I'll show you how you can insert links in your PowerPoint slides. Now, first step, guys, is you need to open up PowerPoint. And from in here, you're going to select the slide where you want the link to be. So let's say I choose this one and I want the link to be here at the introduction. Now, what you can do now is you need to find the link. So open up any browser. I'm just going to use this as an example. youtube.com, select it, right click to copy, just like this. And then you can close it down again. Then let's say I want to have the link right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click in the text box. You can also create your own text box if you want. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to press on insert. And from here, you will see an option that says link. You're going to click on the link just here. Give it what it's going to read right here. I'll just say YouTube introduction. And from in here, where you see the address, you're going to right click and paste. As you can see, it will be youtube.com right here now. And if I press OK, it will put it just like this. Now to open the link, what you're going to do is hold down the control button and click on it. This will open up the link that you just put in. It's really that simple, guys. That's how you do it in PowerPoint. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.